The first day I saw you, standing in the moonlight glow, something in my spirit told me never let you go. You were smiling softly, like the morning after rain, bringing peace into my heart, washing away the pain. I've been through the highways, I've been through the storms, searching for a love that could keep my soul warm. Then you came around with your gentle kind of grace, and suddenly forever had a beautiful face. You know the way you call my name turns an ordinary day into a flame. And every time you hold my hand, I feel like the luckiest man. Oh, if tomorrow never comes, I'd still be thankful for your love. Every heartbeat sings your song, with you is where I belong. My woman, my blessing, my answered prayer, the one I run to when the world gets unfair. My woman, my sunshine, my sweetest view. Every dream I've ever had is standing here in you. My woman, forever I'll be by your side, through every low valley and every high tide. My woman, my treasure, my beautiful truth. If love is a journey, I want every mile with you. You know my silence, you understand my fears. You've seen the hidden battles I've carried for years. Still you chose to love me without asking me why, giving me your wings whenever I couldn't fly. And when the night grows heavy and the road becomes long, you remind me with your laughter that I should stay strong. You are the melody my lonely heart found, the sweetest kind of magic wrapped in a beautiful sound. Nothing in this life could buy what we share. A million shining diamonds could never compare, because your love is priceless, pure and true. Every part of me keeps running back to you. Oh, when the world is moving fast, you're the peace that always lasts. Every heartbeat sings your song, with you is where I belong. My woman, my blessing, my answered prayer, the one I run to when the world gets unfair. My woman, my sunshine, my sweetest view. Every dream I've ever had is standing here in you. My woman, forever I'll be by your side, through every low valley and every high tide. My woman, my treasure, my beautiful truth. If love is a journey, I want every mile with you. But I don't need the stars when you're lighting up my sky. I don't need forever promises you show me every time. The way you love me gently, the way you hold me close, makes me believe that real love still exists the most. And if the seasons change, if the rivers run dry, I'll still be right beside you. I won't say goodbye. You're the home inside my heart, the calm inside my soul. With you beside me, I already have it all. Oh, stay with me tonight. Let the moon bear witness to this love so right. Oh, hand in hand we'll go. Wherever life may lead us, I'll follow. My woman, my blessing, my answered prayer, the one I run to when the world gets unfair. My woman, my sunshine, my sweetest view. Every dream I've ever had is standing here in you. My woman, forever I'll be by your side. Through every low valley and every high tide. My woman, my treasure, my beautiful truth. If love is a journey, I want every mile with you. My woman, my heartbeat, my song, the place where my restless soul belongs. My woman, till the end of time. You'll always be yours and I'll always be mine.